What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2024 BMW X1 M35i. So this vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 313 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. You have an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW xDrive. So this is like a little performance SUV. It's pretty nice. Like, this interior is cool. I love these bucket seats. They look amazing. Like, it's so cool. They look so cool. You have the red interior with the black as well. I love the M logo over there. But yeah, these bucket seats are the highlight in the interior, that's for sure. And I love the Harman Kardon speaker grills. You have a very thick M performance steering wheel with the red stripe on the top, and you also have carbon shift paddles. Or no, wait, these aren't carbon, but they're nice. But they're really nice shift paddles. They remind me of the shift paddles in the G80, so that's awesome. You have the center screen. It's pretty cool. You also have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wireless charging tray over there, and like this, there's like this little thing to keep your phone in place. That's interesting. Nice cup holders, and you also have a floating center console to fit your items back there or under there. Reverse camera with 360-degree view. Well, that's interesting. Panoramic sunroof. But let's walk around this car. Finished in mineral white metallic. Looks really, really cool, actually. I love the daytime running lights, black kidney grills, wing mirror tips, red M performance brakes. And this car looks even better in person than it does like on pictures and stuff. I feel like pictures don't do this car justice. It looks really cool in person. I love the tail lights. Like, they look so cool. And what's interesting is that this car has quad outlet exhaust from the factory. It's not a full M vehicle, but it has quad exhaust, which I find very interesting. Typically, M performance vehicles, which are not full M's, have dual outlet, not quads. So this is basically like an X1M. Like, it literally looks like if BMW made an X1M, even though it's an M35i. But yeah, like, the proportions of this car is really cool. It looks really aggressive. I love the way this car looks. Here are the rear seats. Let's take a look at the trunk space in this car. Trunk over there, pretty good space back there. Could fit some decent items. And you also have a little cargo cover, so people can look at what's inside your trunk. Very nice. You also have like this little roof spoiler. That, man, are those bucket seats nice. I love them. This is an eye-catching car with an eye-catching interior. I wonder why BMW went all out on this car, on an X1 M35i. Like, they don't put bucket seats like this in other non-full M cars. Oh wait, I'm gonna put this car in sport mode for our test drive. Dynamic setting for pure driving pleasure. Yeah, this wheel is awesome. Yeah, it's pretty quick. And transmission's very responsive, of course. Gear shifts are great, and then I like the little pops and crackles that the exhaust makes. It sounds really good for a 4-cylinder engine, that's for sure. it sounds really good. And I love this steering wheel. Like, and the seats are so comfortable with this, what do you call these buckets? And you also have adjustable lumbar and side bolsters, so they really hold you in place. Like, this is really nice. I'm 6'2", and I usually have trouble fitting in some seats, but this one, it's great. And you also have thigh extension, which I like too. Very smooth ride, great visibility. I'm definitely enjoying this car. Turn single stock feels great, like it does in every BMW. That satisfying click. The steering feels very good. The car feels very planted and stable. It's very nice, and even in the sport mode, it's very comfortable for daily driving. Yeah, you put your foot down, this thing will definitely pick up. Yeah, this thing handles really well. That's quite impressive. That's fun. Great car. This gets the thumbs up from me. Anyways, thank you for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice BMWs like this X1 M35i.